What's the meaning of Battenberg cake? Battenberg cake. Battenberg cake.
Battenberg cake. Battenberg cake. Battenberg cake is a type of sponge cake that originated in the United Kingdom. It is made by baking two different colored sponge cakes, traditionally pink and yellow, and then cutting them into cubes and arranging them in a checkerboard pattern. The cubes are then wrapped in a layer of marzipan and often decorated with a crisscross pattern. The cake is named after the German town of Battenberg, where Prince Louis of Battenberg, who was the husband of Queen Victoria's granddaughter Princess Victoria, was born. The Battenberg cake is a popular dessert in the UK and is often served at special occasions such as weddings and birthdays.